coverage you can count on with meteorologist Rob Elvington and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
And you can see all the rain on our camera lenses, part of the Thompson Roofing and Construction Sky Camera Network. Temperatures are dropping because of that rain-cooled air. Gunners will still sitting at the mid-80s, but likely seeing that temperature drop as soon as some storms move through. And we just had that very strong to even severe thunderstorm move into Morgan County, now crossing over into Limestone County. Thankfully, it has weakened significantly after developing in Lawrence County. 77 degrees in Decatur, and you'll notice winds of the north-northeast at 10 miles per hour. So again, those winds have dropped off as it moved into Decatur. So here's what we're seeing right now on the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. Again, it's that cell right there, right by Decatur, that was severe here just in the last hour. And you can actually pick out the cold front. It's been very slow to drop south here this afternoon. It's kind of draped from right around Scottsboro to right along the Tennessee River, just to the south of Decatur, into Lawrence County, and then it kind of drops off as you head into Mississippi. And that's where we've seen this line of storms developing right along the cold front. Thankfully, these storms have been kind of moving to the north after they develop. If they move north across the cold front into the cooler side, they start to weaken because they just do not have the instability. And that's what we saw with that cell that crossed over the cold front and moved into Morgan and Limestone County. Again, that's it. That's what's left of it right now. Now moving to the east of Decatur, heading towards the Mooresville area. There, of course, is Interstate 65. There's I-565. So that is still impacting a lot of folks, still producing some tremendous amount of heavy rain and clouded ground lightning. Look at this, though. This is over the last hour, and this comes from our Decatur radar, part of the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. And you'll notice Decatur right here. Here's Trinity. Look at the bright greens on the map. This is wind data. You'll notice how that swath of bright greens on the map kind of tracked parallel to Highway 24. Those were winds around 60 to 65 miles per hour that Decatur radar was picking up. Keep in mind the Decatur radar is measuring winds very close to the ground because it's just right there. So I'm really concerned about some damage right through this little swath right here from out of Lawrence County and into Morgan County. Thankfully, it did weaken just as it crossed towards Decatur, but even some damage is possible for western parts of Decatur. We also had quite a bit of hail with that cell as it moved in from out of Lawrence County. You'll notice that the hail peaked kind of right by the Morgan-Lawrence County line, but again, likely some damaging hail with that cell as well. What we'll see here through the rest of this evening, this is right around 8 o'clock this evening, still quite a bit of showers and storms. We'll have a low pressure system just off to our south, and that's just going to continue to rotate some heavy rain into North Alabama. It's not expected to be severe, but still a lot of rainfall. That's going to make for a tricky commute tomorrow morning, and then by tomorrow afternoon, it's more pop-up showers and storms. But we'll still keep those rain chances pretty high through the entire day tomorrow, and with all that rain falling, it's going to be tough to make it back up into the 80s after reaching the upper 80s here this afternoon. Look at rainfall forecast. This goes through 11 o'clock tonight, another additional quarter to a half an inch of rainfall, but the map just continues to fill in all the way through this coming Thursday. And look at that. You get into those oranges on the map, that's closer to 3 to 4 inches of rain. So we still have a lot of rain to go with just wave after wave into your Tuesday, your Wednesday, and into your Thursday. Some of that could come with some stronger thunderstorms by Thursday afternoon. So look at the 7-day forecast. Keep the rain chances high all the way through Thursday. Then we start to dry things out heading into Thursday evening and into Friday. But of course, with the trash band is back in town starting on Tuesday at Toyota Field, we'll be watching that closely. But at least we're getting a break from the heat that we just wrapped up here in North Alabama.